Good evening, it's March 22nd, 2023. We just left Hilo and we're gonna go to Crown Grill Steakhouse. We have a reservation. We're gonna take you with us.
How are you? So we are reservation at 7:30.
Here we go, Crown Grill. It is not busy in here at all. It's weird. Hello. I can hear the steak sizzling. Hello, hello.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Alrighty.
Good evening. Okay, my name is Edwin. I'm from the Philippines and I'll be your waiter today.
Okay. Thank you.
Regular
Edwin.
water, by the way.
Just regular water.
Regular water. Thank you, Edwin. I'll show you the menu here. So the cover used to be $29 per person. It is now $39 per person. And it looks like the offerings on the menu have stayed the same, which is a good thing because they are good. Salt selection for your steak. Sides. There's you. I know what I'm having. We just love the Crown Grill on the Grand Class ships. It is such a beautiful decor. The dark woods, the nice lighting. It's nice, and it's not very. It hasn't been very crowded in here during our cruise, so it's been easy. Get a table, no reservations. Turn you around here.
Whatever you got.
Show you the beautiful restaurant.
Spinach and asparagus and the mustard. You can get as many size.
Looking forward to our steak tonight. Thanks for watching. We have the cheesy garlic bread. I just brought it out.
Just one bite.
We're gonna give this. Oh yeah, that's nice and warm. How is it?
And moist.
Just gonna give this a.
And buttery.
Mmm. Wow, that is really good. Garlicky, buttery, moist,
Not dry.
not dry. Excellent. Wow. That is delicious. We'll show you our next courses when they come out. Thanks for watching. And what this is called
Shrimp with papaya salad. That's funny. It's fine.
nothing to write home about.
No.
This kind of looks like what we had on Discovery, but not royal.
Papaya not ripe yet.
But we're gonna try the my lobster cake here. I got the fork in hand. Give this a shot. It's good. I do like the lobster cake. That's good. Not fishy. Crispy on the outside, moist on the inside, chunks of lobster. It's good.
And it's not smelly, right?
No, it doesn't smell. Yeah, it's very clean. And we'll show you our next. I'll show you our steaks when they come out. Thanks for watching.
Appetizer is very good. Thank you.
Love it, huh?
This tarragon sauce is off the charts. Delicious. It really complements the lobster cake. It's delicious. It's not salty. It's just really brings out the flavor. It's perfect. Good job, chef. Thank you.
Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
One way to blend here.
Fresh preference. The one on Royal is sweeter. Fresh pepper. But it's good. The one on the other soup that we had last was sweeter.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's supposed to be black and blue French onion soup. I think there's some blue cheese in there, but we'll see. Let's see. It's supposed to be blue cheese in here, and I don't taste any blue cheese at all, other than I think it's Gruyere. Yeah. A little price. Thank you.
Thank you.
He's a bit upset.
Spinach to share.
Thank you.
Oh my God. You get all that himself.
We requested a small order of fries because we have so much food.
Filet mignon.
Yes, we do. That looks good.
Incredible experience.
Oh, that looks much better.
Oh yeah. That looks,
Oh, yeah.
That looks really good.
Yeah.
I can smell it.
Yeah, that looks better.
All right. Look
Wow.
at this.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
That looks better.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay, we have this Himalayan sea salt. We have this black lava salt from Hawaii. And we have this
Apple wood
smoked apple wood
from Yakima.
from Apple Store.
Yeah, you're right.
I don't need it.
No, that's all.
Thank you.
And enjoy your dinner.
Thank you. Thank you, Apple. How's your steak?
Good, babe.
Good. I cut my steak here. It's all nice and glistening. this meat. Fork in hand.
Good. Yeah, it looks different.
And your next weapon.
So the night before last,
We're gonna need those.
in the MDR, they're offering on the bottom part of the menu, you can order a filet for a $19 surcharge.
Beautiful steak.
You can order a filet and a lobster for $29 upcharge. And they told us it's the same as Crown Grill. Well, I have to beg to differ. Complete difference. This is so much better. I'll easily pay $39 to come in here and eat versus go to the MDR and spend $29 and try to upcharge and expect the same thing. For us, our experience, it is not the same thing. It's completely better. Completely 100% better than Crown Grill than the MDR.
Edwin?
So, this is just our experience. You may experience a different, your experience may be different. But this is excellent. This is one of the best Crown Grill experiences that we've had.
What if he's still?
And we've had many. The steak is excellent, really well seasoned. Good job, Crown Princess. Thanks for watching. We'll try the sides next. So in the MDR we had mashed potatoes and it was tough, you know, or like dried out. This is so fresh, you know, it's velvety.
Thank you.
The Redskin mashed potatoes.
I didn't notice.
Creamy, buttery, savory. Very nice. Very nice.
You did a good job on this one.
Excellent.
My beef stuff is delicious too.
Have you had your sampled your lobster yet?
Yeah, it's good. It's the same. Sweet, tender, not salty at all. And the beef is so crispy outside.
I'm gonna try some cream spinach. Good job with that. I have to try it fried next. Now I will say the fries on the Royal Princess got way more garlic on them. We're gonna give these a try. They have a really good flavor. I mean, it would be nice to have more garlic on it. But other than that, they're excellent. So far our meal's been spot on. Excellent. So I
Oh, the
do.
mashed potato is so creamy.
Mashed potatoes are really creamy. I highly recommend Crown Grill
Oh, that's good.
on the Crown Princess.
Oh, that's good.
Thank you.
Mashed potato is good. Mashed potato is good.
Very good, right?
Yep.
This is a great meal. Crown Grill, Crown Princess, excellent. Thank you for watching. We'll show you dessert when that comes out, because we're gonna have to order some dessert. Thanks for watching. That was excellent. So good. We took care of business this time. Scotty's still working on his. It's a lot of food. This is my happy face. Delicious, delicious. Thanks for cruising with us. Thanks for dining with us. show you the desserts when we order them. Thank you. And we're going to show you the dessert menu. Turn you around here. So an apple and rhubarb cobbler, a key lime pie bar, salted caramel cream brulee cheesecake,
Make room for other two.
triple chocolate treasure, and a warm chocolate mousse trifle. We've had all these. Decisions. Well, we'll let you know when it comes out. That will be our decision. It's been an excellent meal. Crown Grill on the Crown Princess. And we'll show you our dessert when it comes out. Thanks for watching. Key lime pie bar and apple rhubarb cobbler.
First time I ever ordered dessert.
In the Crown Grill.
It's good.
Yeah, I decided on the key lime pie bar. I've had this before. It was always good. Excellent. I want to thank everybody for joining us for dinner in Crown Grill on the Crown Princess. It was an excellent meal. So we just had an excellent meal in Crown Grill. Thank you. It was excellent. Excellent meal.
Thank you for coming. How was your day?
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Of course, me also.
That was fantastic. I have to say that ranks right up there in the top 2 or 3 maybe. Awesome experiences in Crown Grill. Anyway, good night everybody. Thank you for watching.